condition of your heart determines the harvest of your life. Don't let the worries of this world choke out the word. Be the good soil where God's truth can take deep root. Even the wind and waves obey his voice. When the storms of life feel overwhelming, remember that the Lord of creation is in your boat, and he has the power to speak peace to your chaos. No darkness is too deep for his authority. Jesus enters the places of our greatest bondage to set us free, proving that his light is always stronger than the chains of the enemy. In the hands of the King, our not enough becomes more than plenty. He takes our small offerings and multiplies them to feed a hungry world, teaching us to trust his daily provision. For a moment, the veil is pulled back and the servant's true glory is revealed. We are called to stop talking, stop planning, and simply listen to the beloved Son of the living God. Following Jesus costs everything, but losing him costs even more. Don't let your possessions own your heart. Hold everything loosely so you can grab hold of the life he offers. God doesn't measure the size of the gift, but the sacrifice of the giver. Like the widow, true worship is giving God our total devotion, rather than just the leftovers of our lives.